Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email on Microsoft Office 365 Outlook. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and an Office 365 account for either school or work. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the web browser which we will be using is Google Chrome, go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation menu or go to the bottom left corner, click on all applications, go to Outlook, and now to send an email, go all the way to the left top corner of the screen, new message, enter the candidate, client, customer, friend, family member, or whoever you wish to send the email to. So I will be sending this email to my main account. The account I am using is only for the videos I create on my channel. So that's my email address. I can send a carbon copy if I require. Add a subject, let's just say computer science videos. Within the message, type in I'm writing to, press tab, autofill, autofill again. I am writing to confirm that the video being created. Go to a new line, kind regards. And then we would insert a signature if required. Let's just highlight the name, bold, click on send, or we can send later, but we will send now. So the email has been sent. How do we know? Go to sent items. And now once I open this from my original account, I'll do now. Now the email has been sent. Once I open the email has been sent. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.